Hi students, in this video module we are going to discuss about chemical properties of phenols. We already know that the structure of phenol is C6H5OH. That is, the hydroxyl group or the alcohol group is directly attached to the benzene ring. There are two types of chemical properties that is undergone by phenol. One is property of the hydroxyl group, the other is property of the benzene ring. Now, in this page, we are going to discuss about the property of the hydroxyl group. Phenols undergo various types of reactions, with respect to the hydroxyl group. Phenols, when treated with zinc dust, forms this oxygen atom, gains the shared pair of electron, and will combine with zinc to form zinc oxide, and you get benzene as the byproduct. That is the main product, zinc oxide as the byproduct. So phenols, when treated with zinc dust, will give you benzene. This is benzene, and zinc oxide as the byproduct. Phenols, when treated with anhydrous zinc chloride in the presence of ammonia, because anhydrous zinc chloride is used to absorb water which is released during the process. Ammonia, as it is given here, you can write it as NH2 bond H. So this OH takes up the shared pair of electron, and this H donates the shared pair of electron. H plus and OH minus forms water, and NH2 minus substitute OH minus. NH2 minus is a nucleophile which substitutes OH minus. So which forms amino, benzene or aniline. This water is absorbed by anhydrous zinc chloride, so only it is used. So the third reaction of phenol, the reaction of the hydroxyl group, here it is treated with, actually in this compound, in this reaction, the benzene ring also is involved. In the presence of hydrogen, nickel is catalyst, hydrogenating agent, and at 160 degrees Celsius temperature, the hydrogen atoms are added at the double bonds. So this reaction, actually it should be coming under reaction of the benzene ring, but still this is not electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. It is not given under that category. So here at the double bond, the hydrogen atoms get added. So generally the benzene ring do not undergo addition reaction. The double bonds of the benzene ring do not undergo addition reaction. In the presence of hydroxyl group, this addition reaction is made possible. And finally, the product is cyclohexanol. The double bonds gets vanished due to the addition of hydrogen atom at the double bond. So you will get the product cyclohexanol. So this is cyclohexane, and to that OH group is attached, so it is cyclohexanol. Phenol undergoes oxidation in the presence of powerful oxidizing agents such as potassium dichromate and concentrated sulfuric acid to form quinone. It is also called as 1,4-benzoquinone or just paraquinone is the common name. So 1,4 positions have double bond O group. It is called as quinone. So it is 1,4-benzoquinone. Next reaction is phenol, when treated with NaOH, forms sodium phenoxide. This H is displaced by Na. H and OH will form water. This sodium phenoxide, when treated with methyl iodide, this is called Williamson's ether synthesis. Methyl iodide to form this Na is substituted by NH3 group. Na and I will form NaI, and Na is substituted by CH3 group. Then you will get C6H5OCH3, and this is anisole. It is an ether compound, methyl phenyl ether or anisole. It is also called as anisole. So these are the 5 reactions of phenol which we have discussed. What are the 5 reactions? One is the reaction with zinc dust to get benzene, byproduct is zinc oxide. Reaction with ammonia to get aniline or aminobenzene. Water is evolved, anhydrous zinc chloride absorbs water. Hydrogenation in the presence of nickel catalyst, 160 degrees Celsius, you get cyclohexanol, hydrogen atoms get added at the double bond. Oxidation takes place in the presence of powerful oxidizing agent to form quinone, 1,4-benzoquinone or paraquinone. Williamson's ether synthesis, when this is treated with NaOH initially to form sodium phenoxide, and this sodium phenoxide is treated with methyl iodide. Okay, alkyl halide treated with sodium alkoxide or sodium phenoxide, you get methoxybenzene or anisole or methyl phenyl ether. So these are the reactions of the hydroxyl group with respect to phenol. The next video module will discuss about the chemical properties of phenol with respect to the benzene ring. Thank you, children.